How to use Irmo AI app. So here's Irmo AI video generator. So you can just try to use it. And yeah, so here is the app. Yeah, quite viral app, especially during Valentine's Day. Yeah, this app can create really amazing AI filters and AI videos, especially AI kissing and AI hugging. And I will show you how it works. So here is like you have romantic kiss, you have celeb kiss, and you have also hugging, for example. So you need to add two separate photos or a group photo. So let's just add it. So then you just want, let's just add this. And then let's just try to create. And then you will see that the quality of the model is quite good in this app. And then, yeah, you can just create like the hugging video AI kissing. And then, for example, here's the same filter with AI kissing. So I uploaded exactly to same photos. So take a look. This is how it works. So quite nice, good quality. It can be a bit cringe for some people because it's actually quite realistic, but it's a nice prank or a nice gift. Quite a good app. However, you need to pay. There is no free option. You need to upgrade for like $7 per week or something like that. So yeah. So that's basically an idea how it might start working. And yeah, then there are also all types of filters, image to video, AI text to video. And I really like this, like for example, AI heroes, which you can generate. And there are super amazing video effects, which is like you can do like crumble, like something like that. So you can add a photo and generate this amazing filter. You can also create this explode filter. You can create squish, like just add the photo or something and then it will do something like that, or like peel. So just really nice group photo effect in here. So quite interesting app. So yeah, that's just what you're having in here. Yeah, it's just taking like 3-4 minutes. Yeah, and it's really taking the time even if you upgrade. Also, like even in a pro, you're getting 20 credits for each generation. So with a pro subscription, you get like 100 credits included, and basically it means you can generate five credits, five like video effects, and per week, I guess. So that's what you have in here. So yeah, that's the idea, and that's just how it works. And yeah, let's just wait a bit. You can also just enable notifications to see when these videos will be generated. And yeah, then language, I don't know, like language, and then yeah, it's available. So let's take a look. So here you see the two photos. You can remove watermark, and then here you can just see it like that. So that's the idea in here, what you can try to use. That's the result. I mean, it's not the best, but it's, you can see that the model is becoming quite good. It's very less pixelated. It's almost realistic. So yeah, this is just what you have in there. And yeah, so that's the idea of the app. Try it out.